Hi guys, today we are going to look at the email, WhatsApp and WAPA features available on our Smart IQ device. A business's growth doesn't just depend on the product but also on communication. If a customer's message gets delayed, or if the wrong message is sent, or if the message lacks clarity, what will happen is you will definitely lose customers, and the trust customers have in our brand and business will be lost. What happens with manual work is, say 11 staff members are all using one number to message customers. Those messages definitely will not be visible to the business owner. Because of this, it becomes difficult. Trust is lost too. If that particular staff member takes leave, or if the phone is switched off, or if any such issue happens, the entire history with the customer will be lost. This can turn into a very big problem for the business. But what happens here is, even though the business owner is there is no visibility. The manager doesn't have control, and there is no coordination within the team. It's exactly because of this communication gap that our brand's revenue drops. To fill this communication gap, Smart IQ has come up with these email, WhatsApp, and WAPA features. This is a smart communication system for smart businesses. Let's see what other inbuilt features are there. If you look at this image, you'll understand. First, let's talk about manual communication. In manual communication, what happens is, at stop 1, someone has a personal phone. At stop 2, another person has a personal phone. And at stop 3, yet another person has a personal phone. At stop 1, a message is sent to a customer, but the person at stop 2 doesn't have that data. Similarly, at stop 3, they don't know what message was sent to the customer or what happened between these two people. This will be a blind spot for you. So now, even if you say this is the update to the next person, there might be a miscommunication between them and the message may not be passed on properly. So all three of them will be working separately. The customer's follow up won't be the same with all three. The owner and manager will also be there. There won't be any visibility here. This is the problem with manual communication. Okay? Next, how can all this be controlled with Smart Queue communication? In Smart Queue, there will be a system. There will be only one official number. All the staff will work using that one number. Multiple staff will have access to that single number. So the concept of personal phones doesn't come in here. The full control will be with the owner and the manager, and there will be complete visibility. Suppose suddenly a staff member leaves the job. On that day, if they're on leave, you don't have to call them and ask for updates. Not just the owner and manager, even other staff can visibly check it. So this is its biggest advantage. Now say you have 110 customers or even 50 customers and you want to send the same message to all of them, you can use templates to do that. You can send a professional message like this. All the logs, tracking, dashboard, everything will be on a single unified platform. There's no personal number, no confusion, only controlled business communication. We've seen how this works theoretically. Now let's see it practically. This is our Smart Queue dashboard. If you go to lead automation, the first three options you will see here are email, WhatsApp, and Baba. First, if I click on email, we'll get templates. How to connect this email to your company email? Our team will support you with all the connectivity. So now I'll just show you how it works. I'll just click on templates. And when I click on templates, I'll get it like this. Another page will open. Here, all the templates I've created so far will be available. All the templates will be there. Now, for example, let's say I click on 30 minutes to go webinar funnel. Just assume that. Now, what this template means to me is actually in the template name itself. We are conducting a webinar, so 30 minutes before, a message should go to the customer. That's the whole theme of this template, okay? In the template name, it says 30 minutes to go, and in the subject, it says 30 minutes to go, join now, along with the webinar name, okay? So we'll be conducting multiple webinars. For 11 webinars, we can't create 11 separate templates. That's why we include the webinar name in it. We have used customer with an at mention, then company name, after that reply to, and so on. In this, we need to use custom fields. That's how many custom fields we'll get. Okay, standard time, company, additional, and so on. Here we put hi and then next to it. Now there are many customers. For 11 customers, can we create separate templates for each? No, right? So after hi, if we put first name, you have your customer's first name, right? They would have filled it in, right? Take that first name from the field and map it here. That's what a custom field is, okay? Now we can use this in our workflow and add it. Okay, Automatically, once they register, an email can go to them 30 minutes before, like that. So click on new and you can create a new template here as well. So what is meant by pre-built? In this itself, there are a lot of pre-built templates. For example, payment reminder before 2 days. Let's say your customer has bought a product from you and their subscription is about to expire. So 2 days before, an automatic reminder message will go to them. Sometimes we might forget, but this will automatically send a message to them. So all these are predefined templates available for you. After this, you can also customize and use it as you like. Then when you click on WhatsApp, first it will show you devices. Here, this is where we connect our mobile number device. In this, we can even connect multiple devices. Okay, now I have connected 3 devices. Among these, this device is currently inactive. To make it active, you have to click on settings and then click on scan. Then a QR code will be generated for you. You have to scan this QR code using the phone where your WhatsApp mobile number is active. Once you do that, it will automatically become active here, okay? To add a new device in this, go to connect device. Just for texting, let's say I create a device. When for that, I'll just enter a mobile number or something, and after entering and clicking create, it will ask me to scan like this, okay? If we scan that, it'll get connected to us. So that's the total process. Now we have 4 devices. Just for demo purpose, so I'll remove this device. Okay, so if we want to give access to only certain particular stuff for this device, we can select those things here and assign them to you. Okay, so this is how you need to connect the devices. Next, for templates, in the same way, we can create a template here. If you click on new templates and then pre-built, you'll see there are a lot of inbuilt templates available here. You can also just export these and use them as needed. Okay, so that's about templates. What is meant by single send? It means I'm going to send a message to only one person. You can send it directly from here itself. No need to go to the inbox and all that. So I'll just select the device. Why did we have 3 devices here? If only one device is showing up, it means only that device is active. That's why. So I'll just click it, and to send a message to the receiver, I'll choose any number. Here, if you want, you can select a template and use it. Just select that template and this number will come up. Otherwise, what I'll do is I'll type Vanakkam, hi, and now I need the customer's name. So I will click on customer, use and add first name. Okay, like that we can also give our name in this template. If you want to save this as a template, you can give a name and save it as Sethu Sir template. Otherwise, you can just send the message and leave it. This is single send. If you want to see the history, like how many messages we've sent in total, till now we've sent 158 messages using this WhatsApp. Through Smart IQ, today alone, we've sent 19 messages. In the last 30 days, we've sent 12,122 messages. Like this, you can check the history page by page. Okay? I think now you have understood WhatsApp. Next, let's move on to WAB. Now, what's the difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp business number? With a regular WhatsApp number, we have to scan and check its activity every 24 hours. But with WABA, WhatsApp Business API, the API status will always be online. Here we can send and receive messages at any time. Right now, our quality rating in WABA is high, so we can disconnect our business profile if needed. Also, if you want to update our setup profile, we can just click and update it as required. Okay, so right now we have a remaining quota of 984 messages to send, and it shows that we've already sent 16 messages. This will definitely stay active at all times until the quota is used up. Alright, so this is the WhatsApp Business API status. Now the inbox for WhatsApp Baba will be here. Okay, next I'll tell you where to see the normal WhatsApp inbox. That is the regular WhatsApp inbox. I'll explain that to you at the end. So what is meant by single send? You already know. It means selecting just one person and sending it to them. So in WhatsApp, after this feature came, we have it now. You can choose the message template and send that template to only one person. Next, about templates. Here also you can create templates. So after coming here, what we do is go to create template and then choose our template. Here something will be a bit different. How, you ask? I'll show you by clicking create template and choosing the template name, subscription before overdays marketing. Now if I come here and type hi, for example, here when we come, we can't directly add variable custom values there. This is the only way we can use it. So curly braces 1. Then say curly braces 2. Then, welcome to. Here, what we get is, what does this mean? For this one, I want the first name, so I've given that. Map the first name and give it. For 2, it's for the webinar. If you want to contact, then give the webinar name here. You can also add a photo section if you want. You can preview it like this and check our message, okay? We'll click submit. After submitting, if you want to map this custom value, we'll map it in the workflow. I'll come and show you how to work on it. This is how you have to come here and create a template. Compared to creating other templates, this one will take a bit more time, okay? Once we create it, only if its status is approved can we use it. When we check properly while managing that customer use, this will definitely get approved. It's not a big deal at all. Next, these are the templates. So now here is the Wawa inbox. What about WhatsApp? The normal WhatsApp inbox is here on the side. Did you see? Here we have the 7th option. This is where the normal WhatsApp, the normal inbox will be. So how do you view multiple staff in a single inbox? When we create staff, we give them permissions. In those permissions, whoever has been given inbox access permission, all of them can send messages from this one inbox itself. Okay, so I believe now you clearly understand how the first problem I mentioned is overcome by SmartDesk. So this is the end of the video. Now, communication is not just about me sending a message. Tracking it, controlling it, handling the team properly, these are what's important. If you use it smartly, you don't even need staff's personal numbers. There won't be any confusion and there's no chance of missing a conversation. Email, WhatsApp, everything will be in one central system. So whether it's with staff or the business owner, full control will be there. With Smart IQ, professional communication is under complete control. So if you're also facing this kind of communication problem in your business and missing out on a lot of leads, then this powerful tool, Smart Tech, is just for you. If you want to know more about it or book a demo, contact the details given in the description below. Book a demo now and start increasing your business revenue right away. So let's meet in the next video with another feature of Smart Tech. Thank you for watching.